So this is a typical AutoCAD interface in 2021. It looks very similar to earlier versions of AutoCAD. So to get the classical version, what you can do is you can click on this small button here and go for a menu bar, and then once the menu bar is there, you can then turn off your ribbon. So for that you can just type RIBB when ribbon close. Okay, so once you do that, the ribbon disappears and you go into the tools, toolbars, and AutoCAD. So these are all your old AutoCAD menus, which you can then put on the side if you like to put them in the side, or once you have got one tool, you can just right click and then get some other ones. So layers, layers 2, if you want to get that there. Same way, modify 2, and properties, maybe even dimensions, and so whatever you feel like. Okay, so you can get all your toolbars that you are used to in old versions of AutoCAD. So this is how it's supposed to look like. There is also a tab for all the files that you open up in recent versions. If you don't like to see the tab, you can always go to the options by clicking on that button here. Go to options, and in here there is a display file tab, which you can uncheck. Click here, then everything disappears, and it's more or less looks like an old version of AutoCAD. So once you get that, what I would suggest is to save the workspace. So to save the workspace, go there and then say save current as, and just keep it as a AutoCAD classic or whatever you want to name it, that's fine, and the save. So what happens is, like, now next time if something goes wrong, like you want to change something, go to 3D basics or whatever, and you can come back to your drafting and annotation, which looks like your normal AutoCAD nowadays, and then go back to the classical, which is your classical menu. So this is the easiest way you can create your classical view.